On today's menu, the most amazing vegetable stock.
There's no need to use store-bought stock that's full of preservatives. This veggie stock is easy to make. All you need is a little patience.
Mushrooms, carrots, potato, cilantro stalks.
These are broccoli stalks and amazing fennel trimmings. Yes, they're not great in a stir fry, but trust me, they're a superstar in a veggie stock. There's no need to chop the onion and garlic, just slice it.
Hot pan, olive oil, onion and garlic, leek, veggies, season, stir, water,
now that water is going to deglaze all of that flavor out of the vegetables and into the stock.
turn up the heat and boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn down the heat and simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours.
That just smells incredible. Now this part requires a little bit of patience. Now with your ladle, just press out an amazing stock.
Plate.
That is the most amazing veggie stock.